Okay, how could you embed a Google map like this onto your website? I've been messing around with this Bootstrap template, and I've just changed a Google map. So how could you do that? How can you actually put a map in? Well, let's go to the source code. Oop, that's not the source code. Right, first of all, let's not go to source code, let's go to the site itself. So this is Google Maps. I'll come out, I can't start all over again. Google Maps, there it is. So go into Google Maps and look up any old thing. I'm going to make one up too. I did before, I was just experimenting. There's a church road everywhere, so I'm putting number 2 Church Road, Oxford. Anywhere to Wallingford. I'm just making up some address. I'm just making up some address here, so I'm letting Google Maps bring up the site. There it is. For some reason it's in a foreign language, probably because I've been using a VPN or something, but I recognise that icon. That's for sharing on social media icons. So click on the share button, Compata or whatever language it's on at the moment, and this comes up, which would be giving you options to share. Okay, I'm not sure what that means there, but that's going to be insert maps, insert mapper. I've been using the VPN a lot, so it confuses the browser, but so I'm going to click here. There's already a link, but that's just a hypertext transfer to that page. It's not actually an iframe. You need an iframe tag, HTML tag, to embed. So that's what we're after. So if you actually press on the insert map, and this comes up, which is very similar to YouTube when you're embedding a YouTube video as opposed to the page. So I'm going to take that and right click and copy. That's probably the same thing. If I click there, and that probably meant copy to clipboard, but I'm just doing it myself. So I'm going to go to my source code now using Notepad, and I'm going to get the HTML file. And I'm going to embed this in the HTML page. It was down the bottom, map section. There's already one here, and here it is, iframe. That's a frame. That's a frame into another site. It's like a picture frame, and inside that frame is a port into another site. So that's the iframe, google.com. So you're actually viewing onto another site. I'm going to delete that one, and I'm still in between that div tag, section class there. So I'm in between there, and I'm going to paste the new iframe, and I can see Wallingford there. So that's the opening tag. It's all inside the tag, I believe. Oh no, that's all in between the tag, and then there's a closing tag, a closing iframe tag, and that's the embed code. So it's very similar. Well, it's the same as a YouTube. If you're embedding a YouTube video, an iframe isn't actually a link over, it's in an embed. It's like a picture frame into another site. So when you're looking at the map, that part of it is actually on the site. So I'm going to save that and go back to my my site that's previewing in the browser, and that says 5 Church Road, Bristol. So I'm going to refresh. That refreshes the page. So it's going to load the new saved HTML page, and now we've got number 2 Church Road, if that's where the offices were. If that's where my offices were as such, or where I was based. And that's down the bottom there. So it's quite simple. You're just putting the iframe tag in. Let's see if I'm still on that. Oh no, I'm not, but I hope that explains it. Quite nice, easy to do. Okay, so let's just see that. There you are, right at the bottom. I think you've got a zoom in and zoom out button that comes with it.